I have been using essential oils regularly for more than a decade now. I've always been someone who is very impacted by a sense of smell, and as a teacher in the healing and wellness space, I often suggest that as my students or clients want to begin their own practices at home for micro breaks throughout the day to offer themselves a gentle reset for the midday, this is an incredible way to open up and get relaxed and reset. Using these essential oils, you can use it based on the mood, based on the feeling and intent that you need. We all know that our sense of smell can enhance our mood in an instant. For example, think about the smell of your favorite meal being cooked, or peeling open a fresh orange, or the scent of even a refreshing cup of mint tea. In those moments, you are instantly transformed and transported to another place. With this in mind, it's a wonderful treat to add in an essential oil smell that you really love to help open up a sensory experience inside the body, the mind, as you invite yourself to go into a restful or perhaps energizing midday practice. Today, I'm so excited to share with you a little bit of a Reiki healing practice using peppermint, this roll-on essential peppermint oil that we're going to open up and infuse our sense of smell with. So we're going to rub it on both our wrists, rubbing it together, and then taking a few deep breaths to open up your sense of smell. So one of the reasons that I love peppermint oil for a midday rest or reset for an energizing practice is peppermint can be both clearing and it can be both energizing. So as we do this Reiki practice today, I invite you to relax, to sit back, to take a rest, and I'm actually going to be sending you distance Reiki healing. Reiki is a Japanese healing modality. It is always intended for balance and harmony of mind, body, and spirit. So again, find an essential oil that's around the house, whatever suits the vibe that you're feeling right now. I personally, for this midday practice, really love the peppermint roll-on. I'll put it sometimes behind my neck, rub it into my neck, and just open up sort of that mind, body, and heart connection. So as we do the Reiki today, feel free to use your essential oil wherever it is that you feel you need that boost or that reset of energy. Take a few long, deep inhales and exhales, and then sit back and relax, and please receive this Reiki energy healing from my heart to yours. As we begin this practice, just gently giving yourself permission to relax, to receive, and to rest now. There's nothing you need to do. There's nowhere else you need to be, but just here with your breath, giving yourself full permission now to relax, knowing that you are creating space by letting go, by softening and receiving in these moments. I invite you to either lie down or in a seated position with your eyes closed now. Release and relax the jaw, let the tongue fall from the roof of the mouth. Allow the hands and the feet to open up to a state of receiving. And to give your mind permission now to be off duty. Allow the heart to open up with a few expansive breaths through the nose and the mouth, connecting down, 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 deep into the stomach. And every time you exhale, see if you can just let go a little bit further. And just receive now. Receive this Reiki healing, bringing balance and harmony to the mind, the body, the heart, and the spirit. A few deep, slow breaths. Notice if there's anything that you are still holding on to, wanting to control, and if you can allow it to gently release and soften with your next exhale. Notice your heart space. If you can send your energy and attention into the heart, letting it be open, softened, spacious, ready to create and open up to even more abundance, possibility, healthy connections, and radiant health. Take a moment to gently place your hands on your heart center wherever you are. Take a nice deep breath in, fill up the body. And a big open mouth exhale. Take a moment to set an intention for the next part of your day. And from my heart to yours, may you be happy, may you be healthy, and may you always remember you are free. Namaste. Please take your time coming up and coming back. There's no rush. If you need a little bit more time to rest and relax, please take that right now. And as you slowly come back and awaken to the next part of your day, maybe consider making that cup of mint tea, or peeling a fresh orange, or using an orange essential oil, or your peppermint again, to just awaken and open your senses, coming back with some energy, some fresh connection as you go about the next part of your day. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I'll see you again soon.